In this video, we're going to talk about some of the basic setting options and some general information that you have in Innovias Studio. So the last thing I want to talk about is some settings in Innovia. So we have some basic settings here that we can adjust. So the second to last tab is for settings. So if I come here, we can see I can adjust the decimal setting here to whatever place I want. I can come in here and I can select whether I want the view cube to show. I can change the background color here. I've also got these title options too. I can bring in a title or a subtitle. So if I click set titles here, we'll see here that I've got options for my title and my subtitle. Let me click OK, and let me actually check those so we can see those come in. And go back to set title. So there's the user defined for the title. But I can also use the file name, the project name, file created date. Let me choose project name. And for the subtitle again, I can choose different options here. And click apply. Last, let's go to the logo here. So we can add a logo. Let's choose load picture. And just click apply. Now we've got our logo in there. We've also got the Revit mouse option here, where if we want the mouse to mimic Revit, we can use that. One thing to note is that if you have that selected, you want to, or you won't be able to zoom into the building and go and walk through the walls. So if you want to be able to do that, you want to uncheck that, and also make sure you've got your rendering set to rendered and your projection set to perspective if you're going to do that walkthrough. We've got some options for the 3D menu, how it looks and where it is on the model view. You can change your color, the elements you select here, and that's about it for settings. Last here we've got our information tab. So we've got our tutorials here, frequently asked questions, a glossary. You can check the version you're on, and also this button will take you to the Innovias support email. So that's all I have for this video. I thank you for watching, and I encourage you to check out the tutorials if you have any additional questions. So that's the end of this video for Innovias settings and general information. This is also the last video in the series Innovias Studio Getting Started. So thank you for watching, and like I mentioned before, check out the tutorials if you have any additional questions. But thank you so much for watching.